That's why I said
Whoa.
Hon, I want to take a picture.
That's,
oh my gosh.
That's a lot of bees.
Any in here, but it's,
Yeah, I'll call you in a minute, okay?
it's what's called cap. It looks
All right,
just
bye,
like
Mom.
that, except it's got a brown cap on it. And that's where the
I'm gonna call her back
larvae
in a
is.
second. I don't want to look at this.
I was looking to see if
She
I
called
saw
me,
the
so I
queen.
answered. Oh.
Here, hold this.
Can you? Oh my gosh. Babe! Oh god. I got a video.
It's a bee.
Don't drop it, whatever you do.
Look at me.
Is this the bee movie? Are you making the bee movie, Madison? But
I'm trying to take a video.
that is very scary.
Honeybees aren't the ones that are dangerous, just killer bees.
Well, there's an Africanized bee. They came from Africa, and they're kind of aggressive. You don't want to fool with them.
What makes them different from regular bees?
So when bees
There's,
die, how do you know where do they
probably
go?
5 or 6.
Whoa.
Yeah.
They're like ants almost.
Some cap.
Do they crawl on your fingers and stuff?
Yeah.
Just creep you out a little bit?
No.
It'd creep me out.
Are
you looking for the queen?
I was going to want to show them some of the cap brood. Get out of the way. Get out of the way.
They seem to like them.
Well, that one's solid full too.
So I'm guessing they all go to the bottom.
That is
Oh, I
filled
don't
with
see-
bees.
How do you steal the honey from them?
Stealing.
Well, you take it.
You can scrape it, right?
You take it.
out and you puncture the, you can either cut the little cap off or you puncture it with a little device and then you put it in a centrifugal.
From y'all?
We have a little bit, but we can't take any now because you have
The
to
queen
leave
has got a long,
what's in there now for them to
slender
eat off
tail
of through
on
the
it.
winter because there's not as many blooming
Well,
things.
don't they usually
after the
all
spring,
around,
in the
they
spring
surround
we
it?
can
they
eat
usually
some.
around it.
Does it
That's why
taste
it
good?
makes it
Like-
so hard to
Yes.
see the
Like
queen.
you could just scrape it off and eat it.
Mhm.
Oh, do y'all still have any honey, actually? Like that honeycomb thing y'all used to have?
I don't have honeycomb, I just got a jar of honey. Just bought honey.
Maybe this one's got some in it.
So, is there 2 queens? One in
No,
that box?
there's only one queen in a hive.
You got one for that one and one for this one. One for each set. Look, you got one for all of this.
That little strip is to,
And how do you tell the queen bee from the other ones?
That's Poppy's job.
There's some. Oh, so they if they. So do like some of them die in the bottom?
Normally have like a little dot.
the long, well, you can buy a queen that has been marked with a little dot on top. Mine are not. I don't see them, and I don't. They're so in there, I can't see any cap brood. That's what.
Like if you were trying
concerns
to
me.
take your hand and touch them, would they probably sting
You
you?
Probably.
need that cap
If
brood
they've
in there.
been smoked real good, they might
you.
not. But I think if you did like that, that would be enough movement for them to be agitated.